Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Dango.
TV, it's the Petway Premiership, CS Galaxy 1, Sikukune 1, I'm joined by Charlie Wako Charlie's Bay.
Charlie wako kai.
Charlie Wako Charlie's Bay.
Thank you siyabonga. Thank you siyabonga.
Ikemi ibone kanjani Charlie?
Hayi ke ma isekhukhune mfethu hayi. Iyadlala lethi.
Siyadlala ne?
Mnandi.
Yeah.
Mnandi, especially for bathu laba batho bana bo Skomode.
Yes.
Angazi befuna ukubuza something.
Yeah.
Kuyenzeka ukuthi bakwazi ukuthenga ama player wonke wesekhukhune bawase ku
Kaizer Chiefs.
Kaizer Chiefs. Is it possible?
It may be.
Angithi football is business.
Yes.
Yeah. Bathengise laba abe Chiefs bonke.
Abaswabe.
Yeah, kahle kahle baswabe.
Abaswabe.
Kanjani?
Eze Chiefs izize.
Kusekhukhune.
Okay.
Abesekhukhune bonke.
Baye ku.
Ngisho no Medic. Bangashiyi no Medic.
Bangashiyi umuntu.
No coach. No coach yonke.
No nabe aze kusikhukhune.
Nabi naze kusekhukhune.
Akafanele
athi bazobe basevile inyuko. Bangabheka nesalary, I think abeChiefs bahola ukudlula laba besekhukhune.
Yeah.
But business wise angazi bengithi nje ngiba highlight nje. But angikho la.
What advice uBob Stay?
Yeah, bana ngikho la.
Hayi angikhuluma ngayo leyo ndaba. Ungakhuluma ngeChiefs.
Asikhulume.
Feel free to talk about
Mr. Mtawa, ngibona ngibona.
Awubona ukuthi umthetho khona. Awubona ukuthi umthetho khona.
Unesibindi sokufaka lesikhipa yes.
Lesephakaniya.
Yazi lesikhipa bemele bahlale almost 2 weeks bangasigqoki.
After Friday.
Yeah, since lento yenzeke Friday. Egypt.
Yay.
Bemele bahlale 2 weeks.
He's a brave man.
He's a brave man.
He's a brave man.
I respect you, Mr. Mtawa.
Yeah.
For wearing this t-shirt.
Why are you still wearing it?
Why are you still wearing this t-shirt?
I'm a dad, bro.
You are a dad fan?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Mara lento yenzeke lapha Mtawa sike sithi kuyithi fahla kancane. Asixoxe nje. Asicabani Mtawa. Because ngiyabona ucishe washaya umfana lapha mayithi. Mara sikho. Ucishe washaya uTems lapha athe wena 95 bongekho bebakwenze emakhoneni.
Yeah.
Isikhathi ithathwa le cup le. Mara sikho lapha Mtawa.
Yeah.
Ngicela nihloniphe Sundowns Mtawa from today. Last year bathu Charlie akathenga iskipa seSundowns ngathi iskipa sami is custom made.
Yes.
Angazi abazi ukuthi what's the meaning of custom made.
Tell them.
Custom made kuchaza ukuthi it's a custom made sizoyenziwa kuphi ePitoli. There's a special person who's going to sew my t-shirt.
Asprin.
Sizobe sinani ama style 2 stars angisigqoke ze style C1.
Oh grand.
Yeah, don't be surprised why ngafaka iskipa se style C1 angisifaki.
Yeah.
Ngizofaka style C2. Yeah. As long as ine 2 stars uzongibona sengisigqokile iskipa seSundowns.
I 1 star.
Not 1, hayi.
Yeah, I 1 star.
Isikhathele les 95. Lefunisi la, les stars.
Ando tabasatholi next.
Sesirusile nokurusa 95. Hayi Mtawa.
Yeah.
Asashine, yabona.
Steve, lo muntu uCharlie ukhohliwe.
Ukhohlweni brother Mtawa.
2 seasons.
Yes.
Zonke aphuma kuma semi-final.
Yes.
With that
Yeah.
semi-final.
Yes.
Esperance semi-final.
Yes.
That's true.
Manje Ali at least uko final.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean ukuthi ufinal uzeyithatha.
It's obvious Mtawa, it's obvious.
Yeah. So ngeke thatha.
Hayi Mtawa. It's obvious iSundowns izoyithatha ku final. And okunye nina abantu bePirates ne but bangcono kuneChiefs. iChiefs ijike ku final eCAF.
Yeah. Bona bafika.
Abafika final.
Bona bafika.
Abafika.
Ivarile.
Sayikhumbula lento.
Yes.
Aboskomota bajike kuphi?
Final.
Final. Nina nijike kuphi?
Semi-final.
Semi-final. So iChiefs ingcono kunani.
So next season
Otherwise
ngiyayithatha mina.
ngeke nisabuyela kuKhafu ku semi-final never. Izophelela kuma group stages.
No, never.
Beba lucky this season.
Yeah, it was lucky. Ngeke basaya.
Never.
Thina I think sesina 3 or 4 seasons lokho sithi quarter, semi, final.
Ngiphusha.
Lokho siphusha.
Yeah.
Manje siphuma ku final.
Ngiyakuthola.
Yeah.
Cedric. Hayi mina ngamcelela
Bathi swina ngo ref.
Cedric.
Bathi on goal u ref.
Yeah.
Asazi.
Abakorang laban.
Mara sune nga.
Abakorang. Abakorang le. Kokoraban.
It was on goal.
Abakorang laban.
So
Uthini Sibo wathaba.
So lo moment lo.
Why bangadonsa ngeVAR basho ukuthi on goal ayibuyisele emuva?
Mar lo moment
but it's a
lo.
goal.
But it's a goal.
Goal is a goal.
Angithi VAR bekhona.
Yeah.
Why bangayidonsanga bayibuyisele emuva? Bayidonsa kanje bayithi. But it's on goal sayikhansela.
Athi ngicalele bro Cedric wa Sundown. Please mina ngasicalele ngamcalela i-t-shirt lo muntu. Ngiyamcalela kudala mana each and every game anganaso angasumbona. Since bathi Charlie wa Sundown mina ngasimbona futhi wa Sundown. Sundown.
It's Charlie.
Cedric, please don't no.
Uyazi. But ngiceda kusho sibo ukuthi skipper sami sowenza sinama star i2. It's a custom made.
10 years to come. Ngeke uwine. Ngeke uwine le cup.
10 years is too much. Ngey2 zakajuna. Angithi finally ngey1. Yeah, last match ngey1 eCairo. Ngey2 zakajuna uzuzo ngibona ngisifake le skip.
Okay, ngicela man of the match namhlanje.
Charlie, man of the match uzogaya uKhadoso.
Cardoso.
Yeah, udlalile.
Yeah, udlalile emuva. Yeah,
udlalile. Awuvala amanzi.
Yeah,
uvale ngci
everywhere.
uvale amanzi.
Like a plumber. Charlie yabo.